This is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. This time I have for you guys Panasonic EY30 V503. So it will remove all your hair, not gonna cut, gonna take out from the root. That means it's a feminine product. His smooth skin is just one stroke with double disc head. This is from Panasonic. It's one of the best. I have different products with similar purpose. I have Braun hair, Cecotec hair, and some other hair remover from Yoose. If you want, check the video description. You'll find all these videos there. Remington, Braun, other as well, different type of product. So let's see this box. Less than 2% plastic in packaging, so more paper here. Let's see here, more information written. Can be used underwater. Sensitive area cap, you can use as a cap or head. Here you see elliptian head for legs and arm, underarm, different places. I think you have a carrying case or bag as well in this product. Panasonic at the bottom written, and more information behind. You can see here the head and other things. So I'm gonna take this off from here and I'm gonna show you what we have inside the box. Here we go, and I'm gonna take this out. Very simple way I could take this out, and we're gonna slide this out. Here we go, all the things, nothing else. Okay, the bottom we can have a very heavy, exactly, it's a manual. You see how heavy this literature, if you have time, if you want to read, very interesting. Let's see. My god, it's a huge literature with a lot of information, warranty guide, middle, or other information. You can see lovely from Panasonic. You need a lot of time to read this, so I put one side. Good to have, guys. Then here, this is the cover. This is for protection, and here you see how beautiful this set. Go one by one. We come to head. This one, the first. This is a protective head or cap, you can say. Wow, lovely. Then we have a brush, lovely looking small brush, guys. Something as a nail polish in this case, lovely. Put here, lovely placement. Then we have a adapter, you can see here, lovely. The head is a more classical machine. Okay, you need to connect this one. Doesn't have battery in this case. Look at that, I'm not sure, we'll check. Here is the machine, guys. Here's the power button. It has battery. I thought it's not coming with a battery. Braun in this case, it doesn't have battery. You need to connect to use. Other of them, they have batteries. Here you can see the top 3 dot, double dot, it's medium, and the lower one. You have power button, and you see plug here, wet and dry, Panasonic written. It's very strong machine so far. All the machine I have checked, this one is look more strong in this case. Design is very powerful, holding, it has a good grip in this case. Bottom you see typical Panasonic double pin charger. I have unboxed many Panasonic product, I've seen this similarity. Double pin charger, one screw here. More information is written. 3.6 volt charging time, 1 hour. Osaka, Japan from Panasonic, made in China, whatever. Here you have one button. If you press this one, it can release the head. You see with this button behind, this head is out. Is movable head. You can rotate many direction. See how it is inside. Construction of this. Put back. This one is inside. Lovely. Hit the power button. You see the first one here. You have light, medium, intense. You can see here how it's rotating. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it looks very strong. It can remove all the hair from different parts of your body very easily, guys. So lovely machine. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.